New today, Baltimore County's Teachers Union is calling for new protections for undocumented students, urging the school board to issue some new limits on ICE in schools. But immigration officials call it unnecessary, saying ICE agents already avoid enforcement on school grounds. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor joins us live, breaking down this debate for us. Rebecca.
Yeah, Mary, the union, the teachers union there at Baltimore County, they argue that this is needed to safeguard students who are afraid to go to school right now. But critics argue it's a solution in search of a problem. Protecting students or politicizing schools. In Baltimore County, controversy swirling over a push for a new immigration policy. The teachers union urging the school system to formally bar cooperation with ICE unless agents present a federal warrant signed by a judge. It's called the Mandating Formal Policy to Protect Students from Immigration Enforcement Initiative. Union leaders saying the move is needed to protect immigrant students and children from mixed status households, claiming fear of ICE enforcement is keeping some kids out of classrooms. In a statement, Union President Kelly Olds saying there are students who are too scared to attend school. This is unacceptable and detrimental both to these students and to the community. But others question whether the policy is solving a problem that actually exists.
I mean, there's no real danger of ICE agents invading schools. I mean, they don't do that.
Rhetoric professor Richard Vatz stressing ICE has long said it does not target students or conduct enforcement on school grounds. Last session, former Maryland ICE Director Matthew Elliston addressing an executive order allowing agents to enter schools, churches, and hospitals. So to be clear, since that executive order went into effect, you have not been in any schools in Maryland?
No, we have not been in any schools. We have not targeted any children. It is the most wild misconception I've heard in my almost 20 years in this job. It just takes our handcuffs off to arrest those violent offenders who just happen to be by one of those areas. We don't want that person running into a school. God knows what they would do.
For the unions to imply something else is simply irresponsible.
In March of last year, Baltimore County School Board already passing a resolution calling Trump's immigration crackdown confusing and disruptive. The measure going on to affirm immigrant students have a right to access school programs without fear and intimidation.
I think the policy of the unions is simply to create panic where there need not be any panic. That's not their job.
Today, Fox 45 reaching out to the union, asking why a new policy is needed in light of ICE's stated practices. We also asked whether the union is aware of any confirmed enforcement incidents occurring on school property. We did not immediately hear back. Now, I also reached out to the Baltimore County School Board asking if they plan on taking up this new immigration policy. But as of news time tonight, I am still waiting on a response from them as well. Reporting live in Baltimore, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.